Today we're diving off the coast of Skomer Island within the Skomer Marine Nature Reserve. The area is particularly important and has been designated as a marine nature reserve because we've got all sorts of different habitats, all sorts of different creatures living there. As managers of the Marine Nature Reserve, part of what we have to do is monitoring what's underwater. We've got about 100 different species of sponge alone, several hundred species of seaweeds. We've got sea slugs. They're absolutely fantastic creatures, wonderfully colourful, and we've in the last 2 weeks seen over 50 species out of the 70 or so that have been recorded there. Every day is a new day, and every day something new crops up, and it's really quite exciting when you find a new species of sponge or a new sea slug that hasn't been seen for a while. Some of them have never even been recorded at all, so they're species which are new to science.
So as you've seen, the Pembrokeshire offshore islands here are fantastic for wildlife, and Ramsey Island here is no exception. We've got in Pembrokeshire a duty to look after the wildlife, and the boat operators here have got together with the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Authority to form a code of conduct for users in the marine environment. So when you're out and about in your boat, your kayak, out exploring the marine environment, there's a code of conduct to protect wildlife, to make sure that you're not going too close in to certain sensitive areas for seals and for seabirds. And we've also got areas set up here for porpoise and dolphins, as well as caution areas. And the great thing is that all of the boat operators in Pembrokeshire are involved with this partnership project and are working together to try and make sure that it works.
I work in conservation policy for the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Authority. We're down here at a rather blustery Stackpole Quay this afternoon. The national park boundary only goes down to the beach, but there are lots of other wildlife sites covering the sea and the island areas. And the National Park Authority is committed to ensuring that the health of the sea is just as good as the health of wildlife on land. About 80% of fish stocks in the European Union are overfished at the moment. Something that everyone can do to help is make sure that the fish you buy comes from a sustainable source.
Surrounded by all this natural beauty, I mean, we've got no choice really. All the organisations around here, whether it be the Countryside Council for Wales, the National Park, Pembrokeshire Marine Code or the Pembrokeshire Outdoor Charter, are all working hard to try and make sure that it stays that way. We're all determined to make sure that this place stays as wonderful as it is now.